Welcome to Ignite India Education, India's largest online design learning platform. Today I am here with final NIFT counseling process. So you should be very careful while uploading the document and other fee, because this is very important. This time the process will be online, and the counseling 2020 will be similar to this, and most of the process will be very much similar to explain in this video. So this year NIFT counseling will be in 3 part B, part C. In part A, you need to upload your documents. So you make sure whatever document you are uploading it's in right format and as per NIFT notification. If your documents are not in the right format, there are chances your admission team will ask you to re-upload document again in the prescribed format. So make sure your all documents, medical fitness certificate, anti-ragging certificate, income certificate, domicile certificate and your caste certificates are in the right format and issued by competent authority. So make sure first your documents are in right shape, everything is as per NIFT guideline, and you should be very careful while uploading the document. You should upload proper document. So first phase of NIFT counseling will be uploading all your documents on the NIFT website. Second part will be verification. NIFT will verify when you will upload all the document along with your semester fee. NIFT will verify whether all documents are correct and fee you have submitted, fee receipt, online payment receipt, that also they will check. If everything is correct, then you don't have to do anything. You need to just wait for final round, which is part C, counseling process part C. If your documents are incomplete, then in that case again NIFT will send you mail and they will give you some time to upload your document, and whatever they are asking, if they need anything, they will give you some time and you have to immediately upload those documents. After that, they will give you again third round counseling slot. Counseling slots most probably will be on Zoom, and you have to attend the Zoom sessions. They will send you the details and you have to attend the Zoom sessions where you will be asked to choose your seat and center. If you are happy with your seat and campus, you can choose your center, or if you are not happy, if you want to withdraw your candidature, then you can simply ask for refund and NIFT will refund you your fee in your account through online transaction. So this is the process which is this year NIFT have decided to follow, and this process is still in discussion. They are trying to see all other possible way to make it more friendly, so that student, they will not find any problem. If these process can be minimized any other way, they are still trying, they are evaluating the situation. So we will update you if any kind of update is there from NIFT side. We will update you what you need to do the next. But as explained in this video, NIFT counseling will be in a 3 phase A, B, C. Phase A, you have to upload all your document along with your fee, semester fee. Second step will be verification, and third step will be Zoom sessions where you need to attend the session and choose your campus and course. So this is the whole information which we have till now. Any further update if we have, we will update you. Keep watching Ignite India Education. We'll see you in the next video.